travelers, I'm Melina.
And I'm Pablo.
And you're watching Traveling with Map. Today we will be showing you a technical video on how you can get from the northern part of Thailand all the way to Laos to Luang Prabang on a budget.
There's a lot of options available for you. You can either take a plane, a bus, a slow boat, or a fast boat. Personally, we recommend you to take the slow boat. It's just amazing, the ride on the Mekong River, and you can just enjoy the ride so much. Whereas if you take the fast boat, well, you can check by yourself the comments.
Yeah, it's awful.
It's awful.
So we decided to do this video because when we were looking online for information, we could hardly find any. So this will really help you guys if you're ever thinking of doing this way.
This is a step-by-step guide for you guys to follow when you will be traveling to Laos, Luang Prabang from the northern part of Thailand.
Please note that all the prices we will list are per person. First things first, you need to get to Chiang Khong, located in the northern part of Thailand next to Laos. We took a bus from Chiang Rai for 65 bahts. You can also take a bus from Chiang Mai. So we decided to sleep one night in Chiang Khong, as the only boat to Luang Prabang leaves at 11 a.m. every day. Book a room once you arrive in Chiang Khong, as it's less expensive than online, like you should be doing in most places in Southeast Asia.
The Friendship Bridge, which is where you exit Thailand, opens at 8, and be sure to be there at 8 a.m. It's located 4 kilometers south of where most of the accommodations in Chiang Khong are. You can walk either for 1 hour or take a 10-minute tuk-tuk that will take a different route for about 34 to 50 bahts, depending on how many people you are.
Before taking the bridge, you have to go through Thai Immigration Bureau to get stamped out of Thailand. Then you have to buy a bus ticket, about 25 bahts, to pass the bridge, as you're not allowed to walk it. Once you're on the other side of the bridge, you're now in Laos. Here you'll fill out a Laos visa on arrival form, along with an arrival and departure form. Bring a pen, as there are none available.
Now give your passport to the picture booth. Pay 40 bahts for your Laos visa on arrival picture. Then they will keep your passport, and you will need to go to the next booth to pay 30 to 42 US dollars, depending on your passport nationality, to get the visa for 30 days. You can also pay your visa up to 1,700 bahts, but it's not worth it, as the conversion rate they use is too high for it to be profitable. Now it's the time for you to withdraw money in one of the ATM machines. Take the BCEL because it only charges you 20,000 kips, and you can withdraw 1.5 million kips.
Once you pass Laos immigration, don't take the tuk-tuk offers nor the slow boat ride offers. Instead, walk down the main road and catch a tuk-tuk there for cheaper, for about 20,000 kips. Ask them to take you to the slow boat. Once you arrive there, purchase your ticket at the public transport counter for 210,000 kips to Luang Prabang. Don't take a private boat, as it's expensive for nothing.
Choose your seats very early and try taking seats in the middle. The front is uncomfortable, and this is what you can hear in the back.
You can buy sandwiches before boarding for 10,000 kips and beer, as the food and drinks are triple the price once you take off. The slow boat is a 2-day boat ride, and it stops in Pak Bang at night. Don't accept any accommodation on the boat, as it's more expensive than when you find it yourself upon arrival. Enjoy the ride!
Once you arrive in Pak Bang, don't accept anyone's help for your bags or offers for accommodation. Instead, go walking for your room, as they are 100 meters away from the steps. You can bargain a room for 60,000 kips.
The next day, the boat leaves at 9 a.m. so you can have breakfast and buy sandwiches and muffins before departure. Again, arrive early to choose your seats.
The boat doesn't take you to the city. It will stop a couple of kilometers before. Once you get out of the boat In Luang Prabang, skip all the tuk-tuk offers and start walking on the main road, and there you will be able to bargain a tuk-tuk for 10,000 kips. In Luang Prabang, you should be able to bargain a nice room for 100,000 kips.
That's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it, like it, and see you for the next video.